Alright guys, this isn't going to be a full video just because I am getting close to sundown and I need to go light our candles for Hanukkah. But I wanted to, as you guys can see, my garden is under cover because it's supposed to get pretty cold tonight. So I just wanted to go over really quickly what you don't need to cover. Your spinaches, your lettuce, and, losing focus, spinach, lettuce, broccoli, your mustards, your Swiss chard, your kale, your cabbage, and these herbs should be fine. I'm actually probably going to throw them underneath that cover, but cabbage is fine. And then we have all these that are covered. My radishes are going to be okay. Now my Malabar spinach, I'm not going to cover because I'm trying to see if I can get it to go to seed, which it's turning, the flowers are turning pretty red, so I'm pretty sure, or pretty pink, so I'm pretty sure that's going to go to seed soon. But also more cabbages, and the snow peas over there, and the snow peas over there, the turnip greens, and the broccoli. So none of that's getting covered up. The same thing with the flowers and the lemongrass, that's going to be fine too as well. I will throw something over this catnip. Also the bok choy and the tree I'm just going to leave without covering it. So this is my first year growing the tree. I know the bok choy will be fine, but this is the first year growing the tree, and I want to, hopefully that'll be fine too as well, but we will see. It'll be our experiments. But all of these vegetables, if you leave them out and they get a little bit of a frost kiss, they will be pretty yummy and a lot sweeter. So we're gonna leave them out in the cold. So short video guys, just wanted to go over what you guys should be not focusing on and what you should be focusing on. So bundle up, it's gonna be a cold one. It's gonna be at 38 degrees here in Phoenix.